shoulder press machine, the way that this guy works is it has an adjustable seat. So it adjusts your seat to the proper height. Have a seat on it. You have a little seat belt here. You can buckle up for your ride. And then you just take a hold of your handles and just press straight up. You can do doubles, do singles, however you want to do it. Finish your set and rest. That's all there is to this one. This is our lateral raise machine. This is utilized for as the lateral head of the deltoid, also known as the shoulder. So get in this guy, just come on in, have a seat, grab a hold of your handles, raise up after selecting your load. Now on this particular piece of equipment, you have a seat height setting. So if you're a taller guy, of course you're going to want to take it down. Shorter guy, of course you're going to want to take it up. So you just find where it's a comfortable position here for you. This pad should be hitting you right about at the top of the chest. Alright, our next piece of equipment here is the shoulder press. The way you use your shoulder press is once you adjust the seat so that your hand is just a hair above your shoulder. Grab a hold of bars. You want to press them up and together. So this next piece of equipment is called the pec deck. The way this guy works is it allows you to do a fly motion while you're seated and work the chest. So I like to have my range of motion a little wider than the last setting here. You have two adjusters up top to adjust how far forward or how far back you want to go. So I'm going to take it to the second setting, grab a hold of the handles, and squeeze together. Now you notice about where my hands are at. This is about the height that you want these handles. Now the way that you adjust that is by your seat. So if, for instance, you're a taller guy, of course you want to lower your seat, so otherwise your hands are going to come too low. If you're a shorter guy, just the opposite. You also have upper handles that you can use to utilize a little bit of more of the upper portion of the pec without adjusting your seat once you're in the proper position. Now this machine can also be used for a rear fly, which utilizes the back portion of your shoulder called the rear deltoid. And the way you would do that is you come up out of the piece of equipment, you turn around, take your selectors, bring them all the way to the back on both sides. And once you select the proper amount of weight that you want to use, you just grab a hold of the handles and you open them up. And right there, you just did reverse fly.